everything's getting tested today. The grips, the gloves, the jacket. Pretty sure I'm out of heat from the jacket, but it's all good. I can deal with it. I had a nice big breakfast when we started. When we get back, I've got some food to eat. So if you're just tuning in to one of these videos right now, this is middle of November, Lingham Lake, a ride called by Matt Holmes of the Deep and Dirty Valley crew. He missed a lot of rides this year, so before the season was done, he wanted to make sure a lot of us got together, got a ride going. We started the day with 16 of us. Now we are down to 4. The final 4 for the day. You are watching Silky Reaper Productions on YouTube here. Like, share, subscribe. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. I was noticing that half of my viewership is not subscribed and half of the viewership is subscribed. So just do me a favor and just hit that subscribe button for me. It'll go a long way in helping out the channel reach a broader audience and get recommended to more people around the world. But I want to say thank you and shout outs to the people in America that watch, the people in Russia that watch, Estonia, Latvia. It's cool when you get to see these YouTube analytics and you get to see where all the people that are watching you are from. So all you guys from all those countries across the world, I want to say I am deeply, deeply humbled, and I thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my adventures here. Silky Reaper Productions, with myself and friends. ATV and all over the place through damn near every season except for the deadest of the Canadian winter. That's probably one of the only things that stopped me. Done. Once you see that, trails are done. Back to main road. My jacket feels like armor. It's frozen. Stiff. done, and we've murdered through all GoPro batteries today to accomplish it.